Yeah, I'm JD. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe, please hit like, and let me just tell you this is a strange video today. It's going to be really short. You're kind of wondering what the hell this is right here. So this is my replacement crown. It is a Seiko crown, and you're going to see a video go up really soon that it shows how I peeled off all of the knurling on this crown to fit it into the hole. It actually works really well. It is a screw down crown, so if I unscrew this crown, see if I can do that, unscrew this crown like this, and now it is unscrewed. I can wind the watch, so I'm winding it right now. If I pull it out one here, I can actually set the date, and I turn it this way, I can set the day. It is Wednesday, but it's not the 20th, so let me just see if I can. I think it's the 31st today. 30 days has September, April, June, and November. So this works nicely. 31, like that. And I did, when I put the hands back on, to make sure the hands would be coordinated with the day and date flip on there. And if I pull it out again, I can actually set the time. And right now it's 8:52, so it's pretty much set. If you can look there, I can see the time is set. I put a little bit of Loctite on this when I put the stem in. You'll see that in the video. And this is for a buddy of mine. Let me push this back in again. And this is the watch he's had for many years. And what I did was I replaced his, I think it was a 7S26 movement. It was a piece of crap. The actual hairspring on it was gone, but so instead of doing a lot of work on that, I put an NH35 movement in here, and I believe I made a video on that, and I was able to get that NH35 in with a different kind of internal shroud that's used to actually put it in the case. Cleaned up all the internals, and it is an automatic watch now, and it's got winding and hacking now enabled on this watch. This little dial here, or knurled dial here, is simply for changing the ring. And there was another one like that on the other side, but I couldn't find one like this to replace this one. The only work I have to do now, and this is a Seiko, is to bevel the edges here, because it's a bit sharp, so it's not going to be sticking out that much. And he is not going to use this for diving, so this is on his wrist. This part here will be facing, if I go like this, it'll be facing the palm of his hand here, and so I don't think it would cause much of an issue. So it becomes a brand new watch. So it's left all the marks on it because these are marks from his life on the oil rigs. So let's hope he can get another 20 years of life out of this particular movement, this watch. See, it's clicking there, it's nice. So there you go. This is for Jim. And I still have to do a little bit. I'm going to take this out and I'm going to chuck it up, and I'm going to take the edge off of this just because I don't want the sharp edge on there, because that'll catch or cause maybe some minor injury. So that's it. That's a quick video on this watch. You'll see the video on what I did to actually size the side of this. I had done this once before for a gentleman's watch that had to have a crown made, and what I did was I also cut a line in here so the person could actually use their fingernail and grab this and pull it out. I don't think it's necessary with this because there's enough of this to grab and pull out, so it's not a problem. I was going to knurl this as well, but really it doesn't need knurling. I've used it. It works perfectly, no issue. So anyway, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching this video. It's a crazy video, and later on today I'm going to put up the video on what I did on the lathe to get this thing done. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you later.